We are going to the Guindy National Park or the Children's Park, located in the heart of the city, Guindy. The park is very famous for its huge collection of reptiles, birds, and butterflies.
Hi everyone, Vanakkam. Welcome to my channel. Today we are here at the Guindy National Park or the Children's Park, which is quite famous here in Chennai. So let's go and see what's there inside.
It's one of the few national parks of India that is located inside the city.
How nice, they have baby feeding room as well. The place is very well maintained, clean, very neat. There are so many huge banyan trees over here. Looks very old. And this bird cage is just huge. There is variety of birds. There is ibis, there is pelican, there is stork. You'll really have good time seeing all the birds playing around inside. And this beautiful botanical garden with lots and lots of butterfly inside. And there is this another cage with emu. And look at this huge ostrich posing for me. Eagle cage, lots and lots of eagles inside. National Guindy Park is just so huge. You can spend your entire day over here. Lots of animals, reptiles, and the cherry on the cake is the play area. Too much fun for the kids. If you're coming to the park in summer, there's lots and lots of huts where you can sit and relax. And look at this cute snail relaxing on the tree. And this tree is so huge. Reminds me of that Avatar movie. And there are beautiful white peacock inside. Have a look. So many deers. And these free monkeys with the baby, how cute. It's so cute. And at the end, we have the snake park. Let's go inside.
It was the lunchtime for the python, but I wasn't too comfortable watching it.
Lots and lots of non-venomous snakes. And in the middle of the park, there is this beautiful small temple. And Lord Shiva is there too. Look at this huge crocodile. And look at this gang napping all together. And there is this baby crocodile sleeping in the corner. Some beautiful little baby turtles swimming along with baby crocodile. Beautiful art. And we have you can spend hours just inside this museum. And at the end of the museum, they have this information center, which has lots and lots of information on snakes, crocodile, and all the other reptiles they have. And then they have this camp which you can join. There's this number at the bottom. They have this small little gift shop at the end, wooden toys, and lots of souvenirs. So friends, thank you so much for watching. I had great time watching all the reptiles, the snake, the birds, the butterflies. I hope you enjoyed it too. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you so much.